Have you ever met someone who seems to leave an indelible mark on your life? The kind of person you just can't forget? Well, for women, there's a particular type of man who does something so profound, so powerful, that she will never forget him, no matter how much time passes. And it's not about being the best looking guy in the room. It's not about showering her with gifts or making big promises. No, this one thing has more impact than all of that combined. Want to know what it is? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the one thing that makes a man unforgettable in the eyes of a woman. So why is this important? Why should you care about what women remember and what they forget? Well, if you're in a relationship or you're looking to build a deeper connection, it's crucial to understand the nuances of what truly matters to women emotionally. Relationships aren't just built on surface level actions, they're built on connection, understanding, and emotional depth. Today, we're going to talk about something that goes beyond the typical romantic gestures. We're talking about a quality that women crave in a man, something that will stick with them long after you've left the room. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get to the heart of the matter. What is this one thing that makes a man unforgettable to a woman? The answer, believe it or not, is emotional presence. Yes, you heard that right. Emotional presence isn't just being physically there, it's about being truly present in a way that shows her you understand, care, and are capable of connecting with her on a deeper level. Think about it like this. When you're around someone who is emotionally present, you feel seen, you feel heard, and you feel understood. Women are intuitive creatures, and they can tell when someone is giving them their undivided attention. It's not about putting on a show. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about showing up as your authentic self, being vulnerable, and sharing those raw moments with her. Here's the thing. Emotional presence doesn't require perfection. It doesn't mean you have to have all the answers, or that you need to be the perfect partner. It means being there when it counts. It means showing that you care, not just through words, but through your actions. Let me explain with a story. I want to tell you about Ryan and Emily. Ryan and Emily met a few years ago, and at first things seemed like they were going great. They'd go on dates, laugh together, and have fun, but there was always something that felt a little off. Emily, although enjoying their time together, didn't quite feel like Ryan truly got her. It wasn't that he didn't care about her, he did, but he wasn't emotionally present in the way she needed him to be. One night, Emily opened up about a tough situation at work. She was feeling drained, unappreciated, and a little lost. Ryan listened, but he didn't quite understand the depth of her feelings. Instead of sitting with her emotions, he tried to solve the problem, offering solutions right away. Emily appreciated his intention, but she needed something more. She needed him to just be there with her in that moment of vulnerability. After that conversation, Ryan realized something important. He wasn't being emotionally present. He wasn't creating a space for Emily to fully express herself, and that made all the difference. When Ryan started showing up emotionally, when he began to listen without offering solutions, and when he made sure to validate her feelings, things changed. Suddenly, Emily felt seen. She felt like Ryan was truly there for her in a way that no one had ever been, and that's when their bond deepened. Now that you understand the power of emotional presence, let's break down how you can develop it in your own life. This isn't something that happens overnight, but with consistent effort, you can become the kind of man that leaves a lasting impact on a woman's heart. 1. Active listening. The first key is active listening. When she talks, be fully engaged. Don't just nod and respond with but ask follow-up questions, show empathy, and give her your full attention. Put down your phone, close your laptop, and really focus on her. 2, don't be afraid of silence. Another key aspect is comfort with silence. Women often don't need you to fill the space with words. Sometimes just sitting with her in quiet, being emotionally available, is all she needs. Silence can be a powerful tool when you know how to use it. 3, be vulnerable. Emotional presence also means showing your own vulnerability. Share your feelings, your insecurities, and your struggles. When she sees that you trust her enough to open up, it creates an emotional intimacy that is hard to replicate. 4, physical presence and gestures. While emotional presence is more than just being there physically, your physical presence matters too. Being physically close, making eye contact, and even simple touches like holding her hand or putting your arm around her show her that you're there, not just with your words, but with your body and energy. Number 5. Empathize with her emotions. Empathy is a huge part of emotional presence. When she's sad or upset, don't try to immediately solve her problem. Instead, try to understand her perspective and show that you are emotionally attuned to her feelings. Sometimes, the best thing you can do is simply say, "I understand how you feel." Let's take a deeper dive into the psychology behind emotional presence. Research shows that women are more likely to form deep emotional bonds when they feel truly understood. This is not just about being a good listener, it's about emotional attunement, being able to pick up on the subtle cues she's giving, even when she doesn't explicitly say what's bothering her. When a man is emotionally present, he provides a sense of security and stability, and in return, women feel more connected and safe within the relationship. Here's a real-life example from a woman I spoke to a while ago. Sarah told me that her ex-partner, despite being great in many ways, never seemed to truly understand her. She would try to open up, but he often brushed it off, distracted by his own issues or quick to change the subject. When she met someone new, a man who simply listened, who made her feel understood and emotionally safe, that was when she knew she had found someone special. Emotional presence allowed her to trust him in ways she never could with anyone else. You know, it's easy to overlook the power of being emotionally present. In a world that's so fast-paced, so distracted, where everyone's always looking at their phones, chasing the next goal, the next distraction, it's rare to find someone who's just there, who listens, who feels, who connects. And that's exactly why it's unforgettable when someone does. If you want to be that man, the kind of man she thinks about even years down the line, the kind of man who changed her in some small or massive way, then let today be the moment you decide to show up differently. Start practicing this today, with her, with your family, with your friends, and especially with yourself. Because when you develop that emotional presence, it's not just women who notice, everyone does. You become magnetic, unshakable, grounded. You'll walk into a room and carry a kind of quiet power, not from trying to impress, but from understanding, from connecting. And hey, if this message hit you, if something in your gut said, yes, this is what I need, then don't just click away. I want you to like this video if it resonated with you. It tells me to keep making content that speaks to real issues like this. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you ever been emotionally present with someone and felt the shift? Or has someone done that for you? Share your story. You never know who it might help. And subscribe if you're serious about leveling up your relationships, your self-awareness, and your emotional intelligence. We're building something real here. A community of men and women who want deeper connections, not just surface level talk. Also, turn on that notification bell because I've got more videos coming that are going to dive even deeper into the psychology and art of love, communication, and lasting attraction. And if you're really ready to go to the next level, check the links in the description. I've included some resources, books, and exclusive content you can access right now to start transforming your emotional presence. Remember, you don't need to have all the money. You don't need to say all the right things. You don't need to be perfect. But if you can make someone feel truly seen, truly heard, they'll never forget you. Be that man.